Hello, my friends. Welcome to me and Mom World. Today, it's me, the mom, with you. Seeing the introduction, you would have known what I'm going to make. Yes, it's naan, restaurant style naan, garlic naan, and plain butter naan. Naan cooked on iron tawa and without adding yeast. Let's start the recipe. We'll make the dough first. Take in a big bowl. We'll add all ingredients. 2 cup of all-purpose flour, maida, which I've kept aside. Add now half tablespoon of baking powder, half tablespoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar gives a nice caramel effect to naan. Half tablespoon of salt. You can add more or less as per your taste required. I have taken oil 2.5 tablespoon. Right now we'll add 2 tablespoon and keep a half tablespoon to use later. We'll add half cup of curd at room temperature kept aside. Use the same cup that used for your flour. If needed, you can add lukewarm water if the dough doesn't get needed. Mix all the ingredients properly. Knead the dough until it is soft, at least for another 5 minutes. Naan comes better if the dough is kneaded well. We all know that Indian foods are not complete without Indian bread, whether it is paratha, roti, puri or naan. Naan is the most popular bread served in Indian restaurant. The dough is ready. I'll just give a ball shape and keep it in the bowl. Add half tablespoon of oil which we have kept aside. Just roll the dough so that the oil gets over the dough, and now we'll cover the bowl with wet cloths and keep the dough for resting 1 hour. Now 1 hour has completed and let's see the condition of the dough. The dough has rise to double the size. We will make a small ball size dough to prepare naan. If you are living in a cold place, it may take more time for the dough to rise. Maybe an hour more. It's better to check the dough in between. You can also keep your dough in micro oven without switching it on. This would also work out. Now my all balls are getting ready. Once all the balls are ready, I will keep for resting another 10 minutes again. As the dough is resting for 10 minutes, we will get our garnishing ready. I have chopped cilantro, which is coriander leaves, and garlic, taken out nigella seeds, which we say in Kalanji. You can use black cumin seeds or black sesame seeds. Kept butter to melt at room temperature. 10 minutes is over and the dough is ready to roll out. I'm putting some dry flour and start rolling the dough. I will give a oblong shape to naan to have a restaurant style look. You can make naan in any shape, round or oval. On the other side, I have switched on the gas and put the iron tawa which I am using on a medium flame. The oblong shape is ready. Now we will apply first butter on the dough, then add garlic, coriander leaves, and little nigella seeds, and poke with the fork. And give a very slight roll so that all the ingredients get stuck to the dough. This is the main part of the naan. Take the plain side of the dough on your palm as I have taken. Apply water on this side as we are going to put this side on the tawa so that it will get stick to tawa. I have used iron tawa. With iron tawa you get the best result of naan. Here I am using iron tawa. You can use iron tawa or stainless steel tawa. See, now the naan is getting cooked and the bubbles are coming up. Now it's the right time to take the tawa and flip the tawa to open flame. Cooked, we'll reduce the flame now and turn it back. The naan is cooked as if it was cooked in tandoor. Now we will apply butter on the naan and serve it hot. Now we'll start making butter naan. We'll not add garlic to it. If you go to an Indian restaurant, we'll find different varieties of naan in the menus. Some of the popular naans are chili naan, masala paneer naan, butter garlic naan, nawabi naan with cardamom, cashew nut powder and rose water. You can find even churchure naan with different varieties of fillings, that is mint, potatoes and paneer. Now the dough is ready. We will butter it first. Add coriander leaves on it. This time I am adding black sesame seeds, that is black til. We will slightly roll. We'll do the same procedure. Take the naan on your palm, apply water, put the watery side on tawa. The bubbles are coming up. We'll turn the tawa to open flame. The naan is cooked now. We'll reverse the naan and see the back side of it. See, it looks exactly like it was cooked in tandoor. We'll add butter on it and serve hot. Friends, now both the naans are ready. I have coated butter on the top of it. The naans are looking absolutely mouth-watering. See, the naan has come very spongy and soft. Now all the naans are ready for serving. I'll do the plating. The tawa naans are turned out soft and it tastes great. See, there is no rock science. Even we can make naan at home similar to the restaurant style without tandoor or even micro oven. And I have not added yeast also. Still the naan has come out very spongy and soft. I will be serving the naans with chole. Chole goes well with naan. You can try paneer or any other gravy based dish whether it is veg or non-veg. Hope you all friends will try this tawa naan and make your kitchen a restaurant for your family. Bye for now.